Hello everyone. Today we are going to demystify re-entrancy attacks to understand how they work and how to protect yourself against them. So, re-entrancy is a critical security vulnerability in smart contracts, especially those written for blockchain platforms like Ethereum. It occurs when a contract can be called multiple times before the previous transaction completes, potentially allowing an attacker to manipulate the contract state and funds in unintended ways. Let's take an example with a bank contract. We have a registry of balances per user. We have a function to deposit coins in a function deposit, and a function to withdraw coins that check if the user has some coin in the registry, then send the coin to the user, check if the transaction succeeded, and finally update the balance of the user. On the other side, we have an attacker contract. The attack function will just deposit and withdraw the same amount of coins, but it also has a receive function that will be called each time somebody deposits some ETH in this contract. Its only action is to withdraw from the bank. Do you start to understand how it works? Let's see a detailed example. Imagine that we have 10 coins in the bank. The attacker triggers the attack. 1 coin is deposited in the bank. Then the withdraw function is triggered in the bank that will withdraw the amount asked from the bank and call the function receive of the attacker contract. From there, the function withdraw is called again. Condition is still valid, so another coin is sent to the attacker. The other coins will be withdrawn the same way, one by one, until the balance is 0. When there is no more coin in the bank, the function received of the attacker will not be called anymore and send a success status. The function of the bank can terminate easily without error and set the balance to 0. Now that we know how this attack works, let's see how to protect yourself against it. The first thing that you can do is to do checks, updates, and send in that order. That means changing your withdraw function to do that in this order. Another way is to create a modifier to prevent a function to be called twice in the same transaction. It contains a lock that is set to true when you call the function. That lock is unlocked at the end of the call. This way, you cannot call this function twice without exiting it first. Just add the modifier to the function you want to protect. You can also use an already built-in function for non-reentrancy that does exactly that. And that's it for today. I hope that you understood how this kind of attack works and how it can be avoided so you won't be a target on your smart contracts. See you soon for another video.